it's Aimee, and today we're going to be trying out the Paulownia face wipe. This is a cleansing power of a makeup remover wipe. The most amazing thing about this product is that the wipe is actually totally alcohol free, so it's amazing and gentle on the skin. As you can see, today was Halloween, and today I did a little bit of a cheetah type of makeup look. I've been wearing it for almost 12 hours now, and so I am going to be using the wipe to remove this makeup, and let's see how it does. So first impressions of the wipe, it comes in this little blue packaging. I think it's really cool because it gives you a list of all the things that it actually does and all the ingredients on here. And it also tells you what it's made without, which is amazing. So just looking back at the directions of how to use the wipe, it says that all you need to do is, it says apply after waking up and before sleeping, can also be used to remove makeup. It just says to moisten the wipe with water to create a foam and gently massage it into the skin in circular motions. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna open it up and wet it. Add some water so I can remove my makeup. Let's see how it does. We have the wipe here. Oh wow. Mind you, this lipstick that I'm wearing it's a Kat Von D, like long lasting, and look how easy that removed the bottom part of it. Okay, it's about to get messy, but that's okay. Okay, circular motions for the rest of my face. Look at that, how fast that took everything off. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go ahead and use another one just to make sure I'm getting everything off. I think I might have moistened it a little too much. I wonder if I rinse it too. Let's see, let's go ahead and do that. Let me rinse the one that I use and see if I can keep using the same wipe. That would be awesome. Oh, look at that, it's removing it. So this product is really awesome because it's a 5-in-1 cleansing cloth with the power of makeup remover and like also a scrub and a toner and mask as well. So like it just serves like 5 different purposes versus just like a makeup remover. It also is soap free. So it just like gently exfoliates and makes the skin so smooth, and if you use it constantly, it'll give you like nice results within a week. I love how smooth it is. Like it's not making my eyes like irritated or anything. So these wipes obviously not only remove makeup, but they also remove dirt, remove any oil. Again, I was using the Kat Von D long lasting lipstick on my nose, and check this out. Gone. I was also wearing waterproof mascara, and I mean, it's doing really good so far. So overall, it really felt nice and smooth on the skin. It left my skin actually feeling pretty hydrated. Usually after I take off my makeup, it feels really dry, but that actually made it feel really hydrated. That did a really good job, and that took 2 wipes, but typically any other brand that I'm using, it would take 2 or more anyways. It feels so good. Honestly, it just feels so good, and my skin looks radiant. So I don't even know what to how to feel right now. It removed all my mascara pretty much completely, and the eyeliner. All the products that I was using was they were long lasting 24-hour makeup products, and so for it to only need 2 wipes, I think it's done a really good job. I would give it a thumbs up, so that's my recommendation. I give it a thumbs up.